Reading Pioneers is proud to present There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Fly Guy by Tedd Arnold. A young boy named Buzz had a pet fly. No one knows why he had a pet fly. Buzz named him Fly Guy. Chapter 1. One day, Buzz went to visit his grandma. Fly Guy went too. Grandma was happy to see Buzz. She ran to hug him. "Hi, Grandma," said Buzz. "I want you to meet my pet." Grandma said, "Glork," and she swallowed Fly Guy. Buzz didn't know why she swallowed Fly Guy. Chapter 2. Fly Guy went down a deep, dark hole. At the bottom of the hole, he came to a wet place. He looked around for a while. Then he wanted to leave. He started up the hole. Just then, Grandma swallowed a spider to catch Fly Guy. She swallowed a bird to catch the spider. She swallowed a cat to catch the bird. She swallowed a dog to catch the cat. She swallowed a goat to catch the dog. She swallowed a cow to catch the goat. Chapter 3. Grandma was about to swallow a horse to catch the cow. Fly Guy cried, "Buzz!" "I'm up here!" yelled Buzz. Out came Fly Guy. Out came the spider, the bird, the cat, the dog, the goat, and the cow. And everyone lived happily ever after. Of course. Thank you everyone for reading along with us to the story There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Fly Guy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, so if you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this YouTube channel to keep up to date with all uploads by Reading Pioneers. If you have any recommendations, comment below some of the stories that you would like to hear so that I can add them to our library. While you're waiting, here are a couple of other videos that I think you'll enjoy. Well, that's it for now. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.